To create this design, I'm going to add a cube. Then I'm going to scale it down along the z-axis, and then S-Shift-Z scale it down along the x and y-axis. Then apply the scale, go to the edit mode, add 2 loop cuts here, select these faces and extrude them along the normal in this way. And give the proper offset, turn on the offset even in this way. Then Shift A, mesh, add a cube, go to the edit mode, select this corner edge and Ctrl X to dissolve it. Then scale it down in this way. Select this edge and snap 3D cursor to it. Select this triangle and snap it to 3D cursor. Then set the origin to geometry and scale it down in this way. So you will get your triangle at here. You can give the position somewhere here. Then select these two objects and Shift Q, use the Boolean operation difference. Select the object and apply the Boolean modifier and then delete this cutter object. Then select these words and press J to connect them. Select this edge loop and select this edge loop and Ctrl B, add bevel on it. Add a 4 segment bevel and give the proper bevel width. Then select this edge and select this edge and Ctrl B, add bevel on it. Add a 2 segment bevel, shape factor should be 1. Then select everything, mesh and symmetrize, take the symmetry along the x-axis. Then use the knife tool and create cut along the x-axis. Then cut along the y-axis and then create cut like this. Then create cut along the y-axis. Select this edge and Ctrl X to dissolve it. Dissolve this edge also. And then select this edge and use the set flow. Then select this edge loop and Ctrl B, add bevel on it and give the proper bevel width. Uncheck this loop slide. Then I'm going to rotate it into 45-degree angle. Apply the rotation and then select everything, mesh and symmetrize, take the symmetry along the x-axis. Then rotate it into 45-degree angle and apply the rotation. Then select this edge loop and Ctrl B, add bevel on it. Select this edge loop and this edge loop and add bevel on it. Add 1 segment bevel, add here. Then select these faces, use the insert operation. Then select these words and merge at the center. And then dissolve these edges. Select these edge loops and add bevel on them. Then select everything, mesh and symmetrize, take the symmetry. Select these edges and Ctrl X to dissolve them. Then use the knife tool and create 1 cut here and 1 cut like this and add 2 loop cuts here and then take the symmetry. Then add few loop cuts like this and then symmetrize, take the symmetry and then hit Ctrl 2 to add the subdivision modifier and shade smooth it. And you will get this kind of design. The topology is too much, you can say. You actually don't need this much topology if you are not going to add any designs over there. But I will try to add more details. So that's why this much topology is there. Select these faces. Use the loop tool, circle option. Ctrl X to dissolve these faces. Scale this. And there are 48 words. Use the insert operation like this. Take the symmetry along the z-axis. Select these faces and right click breach faces. Then select this edge loop and Ctrl B, add bevel on it. Shape factor should be 0. Add a 2 segment bevel and give the proper bevel width. Select this edge loop and scale it like this. Select this edge loop and add bevel on it. Add 1 segment bevel. Then select this edge loops and Ctrl D, add bevel on them. Add a 2 segment bevel, shape factor should be 1. Then select these faces. Use the insert operation. Use the loop tool, circle option and scale down these faces. Adjust the position little bit. Ctrl X to dissolve these edges. Use the insert operation. And move them along the z-axis. And then E to extrude them along the z-axis. And use the insert operation. delete these faces, select this edge loop and face grid fill. Select this edge loop and add bevel on them. And then select everything, mesh and symmetrize, take the symmetry. In this way you can create this kind of design. You can see the form and you can see the topology. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial, then hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye bye. See you next video. Take care.